Hello everyone. So today we are going to see how we can use model to fetch our data. The same data that we have shown in user table. The same data will be showing using the model now. So how can we use the model? This is the simple code that is given in official document of coordinator 4. So we'll use the same. First let's create the model. Let's say user model.php. So we have our model. Here we'll paste the same code. So this DB group is nothing but it is making your connection to the database. So if you remember here in database PHP, database.php, we have given it as default. So our default group is default. So that is what we are going to use in our model. So our DB group is default. This will make the database connection. Now next thing, we can use some of the properties that they have already given in their official document. We'll use only some of them for now. So we need table. So our table name is person. Then our primary key, which is ID. We don't need this for now. Then return type array and the allowed fields. So our allowed field is name, age and city. So this is the information that we need to provide in our model in order to make the connection and get the data. So that's it. Your model is ready. Now we can do all our CRUD operations in our controller using this model. So how are we going to use this model is use by using same how we have used the app models user model. This is how we are going to use it. So you have to define the complete path, app models and your model name, that is user model. Now I'll comment. So here you will have to make a new instance for that object. So in index method, you can say $model. You are getting data from model. So m data new user model. So a new instance will be created and then you can fetch your data and store it in a variable. So m data and the method that you are going to use is find all. Find all. So this will fetch all the records from your data. So let's try to print it and see what we are getting. $user or users. So here we are getting all the data. Echo free. So we have got our old data using the model. In model, all we have done is just defined what is our database, default database, our table name, what is our primary key, what return type we want, like in what format we want our data, and the allowed fields. Except for this field, it won't allow anything to be inserted. Okay, while we do the addition of data that time. So now this the same thing I can pass to my view. And remember now I am getting data in the form of array, right? $users Now in my table, now I'm getting in form of array, so I will retrieve the value in the form of array. Name, age and city. Okay. User. So we got the same data using our model. So in coming videos, we will see how we can insert, update and delete our data.